If you want to know how to get your lace from looking like this all the way to looking like this, then just stay tuned to the video. Okay, you guys, we're gonna hop right into the video. I'm just showing you guys the lace for the sake of it, okay? But the first thing we're gonna do before we get into it, you wanna brush out the wig and make sure there's no tangles or nothing in there, okay? And once that's out the way, we're gonna take a little bit of shampoo. It doesn't matter what kind of shampoo it is, just pick a shampoo that's to your liking. We're gonna take a little bit of that shampoo and place it right along the hairline of the lace that has the glue on there, okay? You don't have to rub it in or nothing like that, but just make sure that it's in there. Once you do that, you're gonna get the hot water that you should have been boiling in the beginning, okay? Make sure you get that hot water and pour it in the bowl that, you know, whatever bowl that you use, just pour it in there. But when you pour the hot water in there, you don't want to fill the bowl up. You just want to put enough water that is going to cover the lace that has the shampoo and the glue on it. And once you do that, we're going to let that sit for like about a good 10 minutes, and you will literally see the glue lifting up off of the lace, okay?
Big lifers.
I love you, Poppy.
Look, booking trips cause a nigga wanna live more. Run a bag, feed the fam what I've been on. Only L's we accept is a lesson taught. Buying diamonds every time that the pressure on. Politicking with niggas you get extorted with. Bitch, I had a name way before this record shit. Courtside with a baddie, that's the way I'm courting shit. Gymnastics with a package for the sport of it. Hold my shit, rose gold medals, I did that for the hustlers. Still up this pole on you like javelin runners. Never find no knife of mine in the back of my brothers. How you fratting?
Alright, so after it's sitting for that 10 minutes, you guys can literally see the glue like soaking off of the lace. Like, I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can get a better view. And that water is very dirty because this wig needs to be washed. And I don't think the wig is dirty itself. That's the makeup and the tint that was on the lace. But yeah, back to the glue. You see like the glue is lifting off, and even on like on top of the lace, that where the hair follicles are, you see the glue as right there soaking through it as well. So this is why I like this method, because you actually get everything. So what I do after this is I pour the water out, and then I use like I use a baby hair brush, and then I'll just put some more shampoo on there and just scrub out the residue that's left. Sometimes I use my fingers. I alternate between my fingers and the brush, but you have to be gentle. Like, don't be too rough, but it's not going to be hard to get the glue off because the glue is already soft. All right?
Add up the prices, want they hands held, you leave them to their own devices. It's like I choose to lose. When it make me feel righteous, I know cash rules. Don't know myself these days, I'm getting scared of me. I'm going through shit, I tried to seek therapy, I need a therapist. Can't let these shortcomings fall upon my jet. I just do it for my kid, big dog like a pit. And you niggas steady barking up the wrong tree. Stay in my own lane, that shit never wrong me. I'm never stressing over shit that's beyond me. I'm getting to it, going through it real calmly. I've been up, went down, then I got right back up again. Cause staying down is some sucker shit. I'm sipping clicker with the click for the fuck of it. I keep it cool, zip the jacket, you can't fuck with this. We the lifers, we legends, we don't never die. You can see it in my eyes, like every time. We lifers, when we legends, we don't never die. You can see it in my eyes.
After we scrub and wash our wig and our lace, this is how it should be looking. Absolutely clean. You don't see no residue. You don't see any glue. You don't see none of that. You just see a clean lace, and that's exactly what we were going for. Okay, so quick and easy, you guys. Quick and easy. Don't be like me and just take your wigs off and throw them somewhere, because then that's gonna cause the glue to just be harder to get out. Clean your laces, clean your wigs, and have a good day. I really hope this video was useful to anybody that watched it, and thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.